some more surprises from, and we started with your favorite. This is a song especially for the couple over there. They have an anniversary, 11 years, and this is their song. I'm gonna love you like nobody's loved you. Come rain or come shine. High as a mountain, deep as a river. Come rain or come shine. I guess when you met me, it was just one of those things. But don't you try to bet me, because I'm gonna be true if you will let me. You're gonna love me like nobody's loved me. Come rain or come shine. Happy together, unhappy together, and won't that just be fine? Days, they may be cloudy or sunny. We might be in, we might be out of the money. I love you, baby. I love you, rain or shine. There's gonna be days that are cloudy or sunny. We might be in, we might be out of the money. I love you, baby. I will love you, rain or rain or shine. Rain or shine. Thank you.